Hi everyone. Welcome to this most amazing Top 5 YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Top 5 Most Incredible Archaeological Finds. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. 5 Buried treasure in an ancient Greek tomb. A husband and wife team from the University of Cincinnati was digging near the ancient palace of Nestor, in the town of Pylos, on the southwest coast of Greece, when they literally unearthed buried treasure, a cache of bronze weapons, gold and silver cups, and hundreds of precious and semi-precious beads of amethyst, carnelian, amber, and gold. It was surreal, one of the archaeologists on the dig, Flint Dibble, told Smithsonian Magazine. I felt like I was in the 19th century. Aside from its incredible wealth, the remarkable tomb offers new insights into the roots of European culture, and about links between the ancient Mycenaean society on mainland Greece and the Minoans on the island of Crete. The two cultures were likely intertwined, together giving birth to what we think of as Western civilization. 4. The Hidden Palace of Ramesses II. In March, an excavation team from New York University announced that a previously unknown palace has been discovered next to the temple of Ramesses II in the ancient Egyptian city of Abydos. Archaeologists thought they had found the full temple 160 years ago, until the stone walkway leading to the adjoining building, a secret royal palace marked with the cartouche of Ramesses II, was uncovered. Previously, the prevailing theory was that Abydos, home to a temple and burial ground, was mainly used for ceremonial purposes. The fact Ramses II required a palace at Abydos also reveals that he didn't just order a new temple at the site but was spending enough time there to warrant such accommodation, NYU professor Joanne Fletcher told Newsweek. 3. 1,000 new ancient Maya sites. One of the most shocking revelations of the decade came in 2018 when archaeologists in Guatemala. Maya archaeologists have always had difficulty navigating the dense tropical undergrowth, which obscures the ancient ruins and makes it impossible to see most Maya structures beyond a few feet away when on the ground. That's especially true when it comes to the networks of low roadways, causeways, and irrigation systems that were discovered en masse thanks to the litter. 2. Spanish Stonehenge. The Dolmen de Guadalperal consists of about 100 monolithic stones, some reaching as tall as 6 feet, and is 7,000 years old. The site has been underwater since the government built the reservoir in 1963. 1. The Lost City of Tania. Last fall, Eleni Korka, one of Greece's leading archaeologists, finally discovered the site of Tania, a city founded by the Trojans following the Trojan War and built by prisoners of war. The discovery, in the Peloponnese region of southern Greece, marked the end of Korka's decades-long search in the area, begun back in 1984. Over the past year, about 200 coins have been found on the site, an extraordinary number that demonstrates the wealth of Tania, which was mentioned in ancient texts including the legend of Oedipus. Korka's team of archaeologists believes the city, once home to 10,000 people, was raided by the Visigoths and, some 200 years later, by the Slavs before being abruptly abandoned. As excavations continue, they expect to find additional homes, temples, and the city marketplace, or agora. Thanks for watching.